if you don't go ahead and put yourself first,
comment, like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell, that bell.
put yourself first. There is absolutely nothing wrong with saying bye to everyone, isolating into your own world, and just dealing with you. People act like it's a crime, where they act like they can't say no to things, because if they say no, they feel bad that they let somebody down. Newsflash, it's okay to let people down, because sometimes people don't care about letting you down. There is nothing wrong with prioritizing yourself first, because something that I always tell people is, you live your life. Nobody else can live your life for you. Nobody. So if you feel like you need me time, but there is plans with friends and you don't want to hang with your friends, cancel. It is okay, because there are more times to hang out. Unless you're that friend that always canceling, but that's a whole nother story. But it's not a crime to tell people no, to prioritize yourself first. Even the smallest things. Like I think I said in previous videos before, like I'm the type of person, if I don't want to talk to you on the phone at the moment, you can text me or call me. If I don't feel like it, I will screen your calls and answer your messages whenever I decide to. But most of the time I forget anyway. But I don't feel bad, because I'm just like, I don't be beat. And it's okay if you're not beat. You're not obligated to owe anyone your time at the end of the day. Like, you don't owe anyone your energy, your time, nothing. You don't owe them a gosh darn it thing at all. So please don't think it's a crime to put yourself first, especially parents. And I'm going to say this, and I mean this very respectfully, but bump those kids. Please stop feeling bad when you want to go out and you feel bad because you got to leave the kids home while you go out. So, you need a mental break. I don't have kids, but I am an A1 auntie, and when I'm being that A1 auntie, I know what it's like I know what it's like. It's not the same as being a parent, because you got your kids 24/7, but baby, I love my babies to death. But I know what it's like. It can be, you just need the mental break. So parents, please, 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 please do not feel bad for putting yourself first, saying bye to them kids, deuces, and having time for you. I mean, you ain't even gotta do that with your significant other either. Like, deuces to them too. Put you first, because like I said, only you can live your life, and everybody needs a mental health break. Like, I'm all about mental health. I'm all about, if something not serving your energy, saying deuces. So please put yourself first, prioritize yourself first. Always find time for you. Always find time for you. I would apologize for being late with this video, but honestly, I'm not sorry, because I absolutely traveled, and when I came home to put the video, I was tired, and I'm still low-key tired now. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, my neck crack. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That what? Hit that bell, so you can get my notifications. Ooh, yeah. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.